Statewide Cleaning Cloths Australia was started in 1995 as a cleaning cloth provider to service industries. In 2003, we started serving charities by providing a collection service for unwanted, donated clothing, shoes, bags, toys and bric-a-brac. We then responsibly recycle these second-hand items. SCCA package and ship these items to Malaysia, where our sister company, Australian Textiles Manufacturing Malaysia, sort and grade the collected stock into various categories. This process culminates in 50% of clothing receiving a second life for export around the world as affordable textiles. The other 50% is recycled into cleaning cloths for distribution across Australia. This is a full circle process that has diverted approximately 500,000 tonnes of unwanted clothing from landfill across Australia. ATMM are an ISO 14001 certificate holder for their environmental management system. We are able to support our employees, volunteers and partner charities in this process. We supply daily meals to many of our overseas employees and pay above the minimum wage, provide job upskilling opportunities for volunteers in Australia, and deliver a free collection service from charities while also paying for all products collected. With operations in every state of Australia, we pride ourselves as being the highest quality collection provider possible to all charities seeking this service. Since 2003, SCCA have paid over $55 million to Australian charities for their unwanted textiles. Additionally, we continue to provide a variety of cleaning cloths to all types of industries. Whether you're based in Perth or Brisbane, these products are available at the same affordable price right across Australia. SCCA is a completely Australian-owned company. Our founder is still the CEO and has directed the company onto the global stage with operations in Malaysia, Vietnam and Singapore. Today, our SCCA group of companies supply affordable cleaning cloths and clothing around the world. We are looking forward to our continued future as a company dedicated to serving all charity shops and providing affordable, recycled clothing and cleaning cloths.